Pepecoin is once again one of the standout movers in today's crypto market, and the price action is speaking louder than words. Right now, Pepe is trading around $0.00000049, and it's posted a strong 22% pump over the last 24 hours. That kind of move doesn't happen quietly. It tells us that buyers are stepping back in with conviction, and momentum has returned to this meme favorite after a period of relative sideways movement. What's particularly interesting about today's pump is the context. Pepe has been trading in a fairly tight range for weeks. That kind of consolidation can feel dull at the time, but it's often the calm before the storm as supply dries up and buyers accumulate quietly. Once buying pressure finally breaks through resistance, price can accelerate quickly, and that's exactly what we're seeing with this 22% surge. The move up to around $0.00000049 also highlights how market sentiment is shifting. Meme coins like Pepe tend to react early in speculative cycles because they lie at the intersection of retail interest and social momentum. When traders sense that broader market conditions are turning a bit more optimistic, capital often rotates into these high beta assets first, looking for the earliest signs of strength, and Pepe has just delivered that signal. From a technical standpoint, clearing recent short-term resistance zones is a big deal. Once those levels were overtaken, it opened the door for momentum buyers and short-term traders looking for follow-through. In markets like this, once a breakout gains traction with volume behind it, it often attracts even more attention from traders scanning for the next runner. We're seeing that dynamic play out in real time today. Of course, a 22% pump in one day is a relatively large move for a coin at Pepe's price level, and that naturally brings volatility. Some profit-taking is to be expected, especially from traders who had been holding through the prior range and are now booking quick gains. Healthy pullbacks or consolidations after sharp moves are normal and often help build a stronger base for the next leg up. Psychologically, hitting the $0.00000049 zone puts Pepe back into recovery territory in many traders' minds. It signals that recent lows were probably absorbed and that demand is returning. Once price holds above key levels following a pump like today's, it tends to shift sentiment from uncertain to cautiously optimistic, which is exactly the kind of narrative that fuels deeper participation.